Hey guys, I'm using FireAlpaca to animate my One Punch Man, just a short animation, fanimation. So I have the clouds here, add a little extra stuff to it, glow, and then I have the colors here, like different, more colors for the cape actually, and then this, the line work. So this is the clouds. Just use a brush like this. Where is it? Just use a brush like this, and then you'll be able to just highlight it with the colors, like the yellow. It really makes it pop out. And then so here's some other scenes, well, on the animation, other frames. This one here as well, and then there we go right there. So FireAlpaca, One Punch Man. He's a lot of fun to animate. So I got a little short coming up. I'll be posting some progress stuff, and hopefully you like it. So thanks guys, thanks for hanging out.